Want to protect your identity and access the web faster and safer? Residential proxies are the solution you need in 2024. With IPRoyal, you're using real residential IPs from real devices. This hides your real location and keeps you anonymous online, whether you're accessing geo-restricted content or browsing privately. It works. Setup is simple, even if you've never used a proxy before. All you need is to log into your IPRoyal dashboard and choose your settings. Pick your country, city, or connection type. It's fully customizable. Then just copy your proxy credentials and paste them into your browser or software. Now every request you make goes through a clean, secure IP address. That means no bans, no CAPTCHAs, no interruptions while you work or stream. Plus, speeds are excellent. You won't even notice you're using a proxy. It's great for safe browsing, SEO, scraping, and social media automation. IPRoyal offers unbeatable performance at a price anyone can afford. Check the reference link in the description to get started now. Enjoy a faster, safer internet with residential proxies today.